I'm going to, first thing I'm going to do, and you may have done this different, so just hold your road before you decide yours is wrong, I guess. First thing I'm going to do is get my 33 out of the denominator. Okay? Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it out in front with my power rule. But at the same time, I'm going to expand 33, which would be 3 times 11. Everybody okay with that? And then I know that a log 3 equals what? 0.8. And log 11 equals 1.7. So we get negative 2.5. Right? Okay. Do we want to take a minute and look over the other ones?
Yes.
Okay. So let's move on to number 2. Since, oops. But yet I did it again. Okay, so for number 2, I would do probably the first thing, I might break this into 2 steps. 3m to the 1/2. Everybody got it? So I got rid of the radical. And keep in mind that radical is now just an exponent, and we can do our exponent rule and pull it out in front. Now, this 1/2 is going to multiply. I'm going to go divvy out this 3 and this m. So I got base m3 plus log base mm. Now, this right here is an exponent of 1. Do you agree?
Yes.
If the base and the number are the same, then it equals the exponent. So this is just plus 1. And then log base m of 3 is 0.8. And then we want half of that. So that would be half of 1.8, which would be 9/10. We okay with that idea? Sure. Okay. On what?
In chemistry.
Me?
If you don't put the 0 in, it was this whole story about how she didn't put a 0 in front and they read the prescription wrong and gave her too much and they killed the baby.
That's fabulous, but I'm not doing prescriptions, so it's not killing kittens. Oh dear. I could see it there, but here, no, that's just one more thing I have to write. Okay, so here I could do something like log base m of 3 cubed. I can bring the 3 out in front and get log base m of 3. And we know log base m of 3 equals 0.8. So then we got 2.4.
We just expanded it out like that. Is that okay? I feel like that's more expanded.
Oh, did you do, what did you do? 3 plus 3 plus 3. Yeah, I would have. They're the same.
You would have been okay with that?
It's not wrong. There's nothing wrong with it. You just had to.
It's more expanded.
I feel like it's extra work. So therefore I wouldn't have done it. But it's not wrong. It's the same thing. That's just like writing 2 plus 2 plus 2 instead of just 3 times 2. Right? You're going to get the same answer though. So I have no problem with either one of those. Okay, this one's got some stuff going on. So first we got log base m of 3 to the 1/4 minus log base m cubed. Now I can take that 1/4 out in front, right? So I got 1/4 log base m of 3. And this is going to be just minus 3. Do you agree? If the base and the number are the same, there's your answer right there. Because a log is an exponent, right? So then I have 1/4, and this stuff equals what? 0.8 minus 3. So we got 0.2 minus 3, which gives us negative 2.8.
So if the base and the log.
If the base and the number are the same. No, they equal the exponent. If there's no exponent there, then that means it's 1. See, like in this case, it was 3. Okay.
there was nothing out front, it was
If there was nothing, then yeah. Okay, we good with that? Okay, so let's go on to today. I know, right? But that was good practice. Y'all probably needed it a little. Okay, yeah. Last year definitely did. Okay, so here we go. We can change any log expression to an exponential. You remember how we were rewriting them the other day? Okay, another way to rewrite from a log to an exponential is to use the lasso. Big fan of the lasso. So this means 6 squared equals x. So x equals 36. There you go. Perfect.
The next one's a big one.
Oh, it's great.
Probably not.
So the next one goes 5 to the 125 equals x. You know what that means? That means it's 5 to the 125. We just leave that sucker right there. Yep. Don't want to do anything else with that. That's just, whew. Next one, we're going to say 3 to the x equals 1/9. Now, remember, we would get these to the same bases. So I'm going to say 3 to the negative 2. I don't even get to say it. Y'all say it for me. Drop the bases, and we get to say x equals negative 2. Y'all rocked this much first period. No, y'all are both pretty competitive with each other. 7th period's this whole own thing. Yeah, we need to have a competition. That's what we should do. We should do that. The class with the highest grade average on this log test will get donuts. Do we want donuts? Okay, well, first period might want donuts. Y'all could have, I don't know, something else. Gourmet brownies. You know, the HEB gourmet brownies, aren't those fabulous? No, there's no free days. Sorry. Next year in on-ramps, though, we have a party after we finish our college stuff. So we get to party in there on Friday. Very excited.
We should do like a little, well, y'all should get a little swimming pool. And y'all should have
No, we're not going to have any little swimming pool. Okay, so here we go. Now we're going to do the same thing to solve. So now I got 9 to the x equals 81. Once again, I want to get them to the same base. I don't know why I'm doing this. This is yours to practice. Okay, you do the next two. The next two. Oh, yeah. X equals 2. Did you pick a pen? You have to pick it. Because you've been using it all year. There you go.
Whenever you have a 10 to something, you just add that amount of zeros. Yes.
You didn't. No. Show me the step. How did you just magically get that? You know what would have been so much better? Is something like this. X squared to the 1/2 equals 5 squared to the 1/2, right? No, that's just one step. That's you showing me you know what you're doing. I don't know. You could lose points if you don't show me something in between. Once we go a little further along, then you don't have to anymore. Okay, somebody got the next one?
Yes.
Log base 10 of x. Have we figured out how to say it? Log base 10 of the number, right? I have to come over here and stand with y'all because y'all seem like y'all are having way too much fun. Good job.
The lasso.
I write fast enough for both of us. Oh, very good. So we're all okay with that? Okay. Bye. Bye. I like those. I got my pina coladas at home. Okay, here we go. Solving logs when log is the only thing. You got multiple logs. I can't do the lasso until I get down to one log. So I'm going to have to put these two together. So I got log base 6 of, very good, equals 3. Now I can do this. 6 cubed equals 2x. What's 6 cubed? And that would be, I'll give you a hint, starts with a 2.
Wait, 204.
Do you see I put a 1?
2, 1, 18.
So x equals?
Whenever that is divided by 108.
Okay, so here we go. We got another one. Once again, we got multiple logs, so we can't lasso it yet. We're going to have to put them together. So we're going to do log base 2 of. I'm not going to do that, but okay. Now we can lasso it, so we can say 2 to the 4th equals 4x plus 2. What's 2 to the 4th? Oh, come on. That was really slow. You were chicken, don't be chicken. Okay, now I would divide by 4. Would you divide by 4?
Yeah.
Okay, are you just saying that? No. So then I get x equals, okay. So if you got multiple logs, you're going to have to stick them together before you can do the lasso thing. Okay, we got one more. Ooh, this one's got all kinds of stuff going on. First thing we're going to do is we're going to slide our power over, which is going to give me log base 3 of what? Which is very good. And then what? Good. Then we're ready to lasso, right? Could we reduce the 144 and the 6? We totally could. We could say this is what? 3, this is 72. So then we got 3 to the 2 equals 72 over 3x. Oh, we could have gone more, couldn't we? Calm yourself. So now we got x over, that'll be what? 24? I'm totally proud of you. So now we have 9 equals 24 over x. I would have gone ahead and moved the x, but I wanted to. Now what? Now what? Okay, and then I get x equals, which will reduce to
8 over 3.
perfect.
Let's go.
So smart. Don't be negative. Golly. Put on your nice pants. Okay, now check this one out. This one is like when we have our base to a base. We have to get them to the same base, right? And then we get to drop our bases and solve our expos. So here we go. I know, but we can only have one log on each side. So here we got log base 2 of x minus 3. How important are those parentheses?
Very.
Very, because if that minus 3 is not in parentheses, then it's not part of the log. What's the other one going to be? Log base 2 of 20. Now I have log base 2 equal to log base 2, which means I can drop my logs. X equals what? Very good. We okay with that?
I like that number. I like the number
23. I got married on the 23rd.
Really? I found them that beat your record. Our human geography teacher got married, got engaged to that woman.
Awesome. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
So now we got log base 5 of equals log base 5 of
100.
Very good. Everybody okay with that?
Yes.
Now we've got just one log on each side with the same base, so therefore we can drop them. We can say 8x equals 100. So x equals 25 over 2. Everybody okay with that?
Yeah.
Well, I'm recording it. I'm going to send it to your mother so she gets to hear you being all like that. So now we got log base 3 of equals log base 3 of
2x.
I got a log on each side of the same base. I can drop my logs, and now I just have 8 equals 2x. So x equals 4. Yay! Y'all rock. You good? You have a desk